3.
Tiltonhaus puppies are 1 week old today. Cute, they got Kira's hair all over him there. This is our biggest puppy. Green collar. Isn't he cute? Excuse me. Oh, that teddy bear. He's gonna sleep there, so quiet. Let me put you back there. Blue collared boy. He's the second biggest puppy in the litter. Looks pretty much the same color as green collar. Pretty much they look alike. Got a little bit of white on him, but that'll disappear. He's got a little white on his chest, too, there. Okay. This is black collar boy. He's the smallest boy, the darkest boy too. Oh yes, see how dark he is? And give us a yawn there. That's cute. This is purple collared girl. She has the lighter coloring. She's like, I just want to go back to sleep. She's sweet looking. And then our smallest puppy at the moment is red collared girl. And see how dark she is? She looks almost black there. Oh yeah. Look at them all, aren't they so cute? They just want to go to sleep. Good night, puppies. Good night.